Hi everyone! Today I have with me the Akko 3084B, and this is the Plus model whereby it actually has 3 connectivity, and I was looking for a 75% keyboard. Still looks compact and I kind of like it. It has this pink and black keycaps. Yeah, but I'm not a pink fan honestly, but this is really a nice light subtle muted pink. I kind of like it. Honestly, I think it really sounds good off the box. This is how the keyboard sounds start. So I got myself a jelly purple switch. I've never really tried a tactile switch before, and I think it's quite nice. So the RGB on this, they actually have a few different modes. You can also press function and whichever keys on the right side. And this actually changed the different kind of modes that you can set. And I think it's quite a nice feature. So my overall thoughts for this keyboard is I really like it. However, there was one major issue that I faced because I'm working on a Mac platform and Akko says that this is actually compatible for Mac as well. So what happened was when I was updating the driver, the whole software crashed. So I had no choice but to force quit the application even though they specifically said to keep the USB powered all times. What happened is that the computer doesn't even detect my keyboard's existence. There was no light. Even when I plug it in white mode, there's no response or anything. I emailed Akko and they actually gave me like a firmware update exe file, but they were saying that you must only update this via Windows. And yeah, so it took more than like whole day just to solve this issue. So for the Mac users, if you are looking to get into this, I would strongly advise, maybe if you have like old Windows, it's good to have it by your side, just in case you want to update certain firmware that the Mac doesn't support. Thanks for staying to the end. I just really want to share some of my issues that I face with the keyboard, and also at the same time, I really like this model and I just want to share some review on it because I don't see much of this online. And yeah, drop me a comment if you have any questions or anything, and I'll see you again. Bye!